Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Hot stuff out there again today. Second day in a row where we've seen the temperatures in the mid-90s, kind of giving us a bit of a tease for what is expected to be a very hot work week, especially as we get into the back end of that. We're talking your Wednesday for some, Thursday for everybody, and likely for a lot of folks, Friday's forecast as well. But the good news is, not expecting a whole lot of thunderstorm activity or trouble for now. Now, there are some concerns out there. Air quality is one. High pressure continues to sit on top of us. It pushes down and also creates a bit of a Tupperware lid. That increases the amount of particulates that get stuck in the valley here. The ozone with the folks at El Rapa were talking about late afternoon as that gets stirred up and then settles at night. Something we'll be watching over the next couple of days as well. Otherwise, Storm Tracker's pretty quiet. Down around the Holloway Fire Complex, the one that's over 300,000 acres, still some thunderstorms in northern Nevada firing. We will see some probably a little closer to home here, but not until we get in towards the back end of our work week and probably into the weekend for just about everybody else. So sunny tomorrow, slightly cooler, and the heat starts to move back in on Wednesday. Air quality is going to be decreasing as well. In fact, I think we'll stay in the moderate at least for tomorrow, possibly for the next couple of days. And again, there will be chances that we could be looking at triple digits again, similar to what we saw back on the 4th when we set a record of 101 here in Eugene. Speaking of that, here in Corvallis, it was warm today, 95, got up to 91 downtown Portland, 102 in the Dalles, 100 out in Pendleton, 103 in Medford, 96 in Roseburg, and 68 in Florence, around 63, a little cooler into Newport and down towards North Bend and Coos Bay. So coast will continue to stay on the cooler side tonight and tomorrow. Marine layer is still going to be a bit of a factor there. We'll see a little bit of that cloud cover push into the coastal gaps overnight tonight. I don't think it'll be much, so I'm expecting tomorrow we'll see a lot of sunshine. Now, the winds tomorrow are going to take more of a west-northwesterly push because we have a weak cold front sitting just offshore that will slide its way southward. Now, it won't produce much in the way of any cloud cover out there. You can see we'll stay in the mid and upper 50s in the Roseburg and Coos Bay area, but low 50s here inland in the valleys. By tomorrow, though, that front, and there it is, just kind of sitting out there, slides on through. Once it does, high pressure aloft starts to build in. It pushes the jet stream well to our north, pulls in all that warm air from the south, and that's the recipe that we had for that hot Saturday a couple of Saturdays ago. So we're going to see that as we go in towards your Thursday and Friday forecast. Overnight tonight, tomorrow, could see a little bit of cloud cover, partly cloudy skies along the coast. By Wednesday morning, you get a bit of a stronger push of that morning fog. It's gone, and then you see the clouds starting to get eroded away. Offshore winds kick in. That's going to keep some of the smoke around as well from the complex just south of Oak Ridge near Westford. So that is one that we'll have to watch for as well. Again, that's why I think it's going to keep that air quality a bit of an issue. So if you have respiratory problems or don't handle that real well, especially in the late heat, early morning runs, late in the evening is probably the way to go. Or you can head out to the coast. Coast will see very nice temperatures. We'll be in the low 70s for Thursday and Friday. Then it get a little cloudy as we get into the weekend, a little bit of light drizzle on Sunday, and that's about it. Hot down in the upquart starting tomorrow, smoking as we get into Thursday and Friday with temperatures flirting around 100 degrees. Low 90s still on Saturday, and it is going to stay warm for pretty much the extended forecast here. In the Cascades, temperatures in the mid and upper 70s there, sunny and warm. We'll see thunderstorms start to fire there and in Bend and Redmond as we go towards Friday and Saturday's forecast. Hot as well with the temperatures in the mid-90s. And finally here in the valley, we'll be around 87 to 88 tomorrow, so slightly cooler, guys. But then low 90s Wednesday, we're talking upper 90s. And again, you know, my 99 versus 100, it's a psychological thing. People see 99, they think, ooh, that's hot. 100, and it's devastating. But it's going to be hot either way.
I don't know, I have the same reaction to both.
Right? Yeah, most people do.
Thanks, Justin.
You got it.